If you thought Gemini 3 Pro was good at writing code, you need to see this. Google just dropped Gemini 3.1 Pro and it literally doubles the reasoning power of the previous version. It features a new deep think engine that makes it the ultimate AI web developer. Today, I am going to show you how to unlock it in Google Antigravity and use that massive upgrade to build a complete, stunning portfolio website with just one single prompt. Let's dive in. So for now, I am using the old version of Google Antigravity, okay? So I am going to show you guys that the old version doesn't have any access to Google Gemini 3.1 Pro, okay? I am going to give simple command prompt that create me a portfolio website for a website developer, and let's hit enter and it will most probably show the error for Gemini 3.1 Pro, okay? So here is the error that it's not available, okay? So we are going to upgrade our Google Antigravity software first, okay? I'm going to show you the exact method to upgrade this software so that you don't lose any of your past conversation, okay? You just need to come here on the Google Antigravity website. I will put the link into the description. After that, make sure to select your operating system. I am using Windows, so I am going to select the download for 64-bit. Okay, so the downloading has been started. Let's wait for it until it's get downloaded. Great, it's been downloaded. Let's open the installer and run the installation. Okay, it's asking me to close my current instance of Google Antigravity. So let me close my software. Okay, let's start a new installation for the upgrade. Okay, let's accept the agreement, click next. Okay, I am creating a desktop icon. Let's click on install. Let's wait for it while it's being installed. I have created a new folder on my desktop named portfolio website. After that, let's go to ChatGPT and create an amazing prompt for our luxury looking portfolio website for a website developer. Okay, the ChatGPT already have my all the informations. Okay, so I have used ChatGPT for the command prompt. You can use any AI you want. Okay, after that we can simply copy and paste the portfolio website prompt into Google Antigravity and select the model to Gemini 3.1 Pro. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT and here is our detailed prompt. Let me copy it and let's go to Google Antigravity and paste our prompt. And let's select the model to Gemini 3.1 Pro and let's hit enter. And this time it should not show any kind of error. As we can see, it started processing our website development request using Gemini 3.1 Pro model. Amazing guys. Let's wait for the Antigravity and make sure to allow everything you see in between. For example, to run this kind of queries. Okay. And everything is running on Gemini 3.1 Pro. So we have got the initial access on Google Antigravity. So I will suggest you guys to go to Google Antigravity and use this yourself because the reasoning power has been increased by almost 50%, which is amazing guys. Okay, so the first prototype is ready and the Google Antigravity agentic AI is checking it for the testings. It's going section by section, taking screenshots and everything else, and it's an amazing feature guys. You don't need to touch anything. Google Antigravity agentic AI will take the screenshot, will make the debuggings, will make all the adjustments for you. Okay, so this website is going to be created by using one single prompt, and let's see how it goes. Okay, we have got the success message and it's give us the URL to open and view the website. So let's open it out and it's looking amazing guys. The first prototype is amazing considering the fact of other old models which needs 2 to 3 tweakings to achieve similar kind of results. Okay, some images are missing, no issue, we will fix it. Other than that, everything is looking amazing. The fonts, the colors, the total luxury feel I asked for is very promising guys. Okay, it's stunning guys. It's looking overwhelming to me. It's looking amazing to me, and everything looks very functional and looking like a complete portfolio website for any web developer. Okay, so let me give a simple command that please use the placeholder images on the website. Okay, I will place them with my own later on. Okay, So it gave us the success message again, and all the modifications in terms of images has been made. Let me refresh the website and let's check again, and look at this guys, the animations, the images, the text and everything, the color combinations. It's looking like a premium website developers work. Okay, it took minutes, it took hours to create this kind of website earlier, but now with the power of AI and after this recent release of Gemini 3.1 Pro, the vibe coding feature is on very boost, I guess. Okay, so this is amazing. You should go and try it yourself and let me know in the comments that what kind of results you guys were able to achieve with this, how better result it was in comparison of old models. Okay, so I hope you have liked this video so far. If you have liked it, then make sure to comment on this video, share it with your friends and family so that they can start their no code AI website development journey all for free. Okay, I will meet you guys in the next videos. Till then, thank you very much.